the fuck is he? Bro, what the fuck is this, bro? My fingers! My fingers! These
Bro.
Wait, six. Oh, yeah, 6,
7. Oh my god. Did it make up a melody for the what?
Yes.
For
the track.
For what? The sax?
Yes, for the sax.
Oh, okay. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, there you go.
Wait.
Yeah.
Basically, copy and paste the track.
I know. Yeah, I got you.
Thank you. Because you know I'm gonna be out of off time. That's
I
why.
already know. Yeah. I'll have the measurement too.
I gotta do a cleaner one. Let me do a cleaner one.
A few moments later.
Okay. Where's the...
Oh shit.
The fucking...
Oh, probably fell.
Fucking guy gotta turn around, left my fucking son at the gas station.
It's dragging, dude.
Dragging?
There. It's not on time. The... So when I'm doing these like the licks, I want you, what's it called? Because I hear some of them that's out of place. If you want to get rid of it,
It's just this one right here.
Alright, hold on, let me... It's too loud.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
All right, bud. What are we calling this?
That?
What are you calling this song?
Heavy.